at this, and this relates to some work we've done with the Department of Defense, which is interested in what they call the issue of encroachment, where they, decades ago, set up military bases in places that were way out in the sticks, and since then, development has come right up to the boundaries of the military reservations, attracted in many cases by the economics of the military reservations. And that limits the activity of the military to do things on their bases because of noise pollution, air pollution, unexploded ordnance, all the things the military wants to do on these places out in the sticks are now being constrained by the fact that there are bunches of people right next to their borders. So we asked, what are the effects of future projections of housing development on encroachment on military bases with different buffers areas around the bases? This is Edwards Air Force Base in California with 3 different tiers of buffers around the base and the current and the future housing projections. And this suggests that there may in fact be a real problem there in the future with accelerating development and encroachment issues. So we wanted to see what is the relationship in terms of the effects on the birds communities occurring in those areas associated with in the buffer zones around the bases that is due to climate change alone versus land use change alone. And that's what these diagrams represent. If one looks at Travis Air Force Base up here just north of San Francisco, for example, the green bars represent for the different buffer zones, 2, 5, and 10 kilometer wide buffer zones around Travis Air Force Base, the effects of future climate change in terms, in this case, of a reduction in the overall